Hi, in this video I'm going to show you this obi style, which is maybe the obi arrangement trend in this summer 2019. In case you're here for the first time, my name is Billy Matsunaga and I'm a fully trained and certified kimono teacher and stylist. Kimono is a traditional costume and there can't be any trends you might think, but this is actually very wrong. As a daily wear hundreds of years ago, kimono evolved and changed with the fashion and also with the taste of the people at that time. But I will dedicate a whole other video to this topic. This year, anyway, was this obi style all over Instagram, and it is super easy to tie, and this is what I want to show you today. This obi arrangement is made with a so-called hanhaba obi, which is an obi with 15 to 17 centimeters width and length is up to 4 meters. It's a casual obi, which means you can wear this obi style with a yukata as well as a casual kimono. You will also need a so-called kimono clip, and if you don't have one, you can use a clothespin, the ones you use for hanging up your laundry. And you will need a so-called yonju himo, which is a tie with 4 layers of elastic in the middle. You might have heard of a sanju himo, which is the same thing just with 3 layers in the middle. It might not be enough for this obi style, so make sure to have a yonju himo. If you don't have one, you can make this by your own. It's super easy and I will show you how to in my kimono DIY next week. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you don't want to miss the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the little bell, and so you won't even miss any of my future videos. Okay, let's get started. Clip the pin onto your left collar. Fold one end of the obi in half and measure 1 arm's length. Clip the measured length onto the middle of your waist. Open the obi up and it will form into this triangle. Wrap the obi around your waist tightly twice. Hold the bottom of the obi with your right hand. Take the clip off and hold the triangle or lowest length with your left hand while your right hand pulls to tighten. Bring the right to your left and fold this layer into half. Take the other side of your right shoulder and pull it towards your left. Lay this side on the other and form a triangle. Pull the left side through to tie a knot. Pull to tighten and put both ends straight so the knot won't loosen anymore. Pull the yonju himo to the width between your shoulders and place the elastics above your obi. Tie the ties on the front at the middle of the obi. The shorter and now right side of the obi can be put aside. Open up the other side nicely and form a 20 cm long wing with it that is facing upwards. Tuck this under the 3rd layer of the elastic of the yonju himo. Make a second wing the same way and tuck it under the 2nd layer of elastic. Make a 3rd one and tuck it under the 1st layer. Fold the wings down and arrange them nicely. To have a little change, I turn the right side inside out, but I still let it be folded into half. Put this side diagonally up and tuck it under the fourth and the lowest layer of the elastic. Wrap the obi once around the middle of the elastic and let the end hang to your left. Open both sides, left and right, up to full width, so it looks like two wings of a bow. Turn round the obi from left to right and retie the yonju himo on the front. Put the tie into the space behind your obi deeply. If you use an obi-eta, put it behind the obi-eta. And now your look is finished. In this video you have noticed that I used a black yonju himo I made by myself, and actually this one is a little special because it's also one I thought of by myself, because it is a yonju himo that can also function as a obiage. This yonju himo is still 90% hand sewn, and I've put a lot of thoughts and heart into making this. I don't know if this will ever become a product to be sold somewhere, but I made two prototypes of it with the absolutely same design, and as I don't need the same design twice, I thought I would present it to you, to one of you. As I have, maybe by this video, 500 subscribers now, and thank you so much. If you're interested in having this yonju himo, hit me up in the comments. I think you should do it until いつまでしようかな、逆に決めてるのは。So if you're interested in this yonju himo, hit me up in the comments in the next 2 weeks. I think I put the limit until the 25th of August 2019. And if there are too many of you, I think I will draw lots, so if there will be only one, you are the lucky person and maybe my biggest fan. If you tried this obi style, don't forget to tag me on Instagram or Twitter, or where else you can find me, because I would really love to see your pictures with it. And if you have any requests or questions, write that down below in the comments and I will definitely get back to you. Thank you so much for the support again, and I will talk to you in my video next week. Bye!